Why do 90% of your favorite sites seem to know exactly what you want to buy? Let's find out. So, you were just thinking about getting a new phone, and bam, everywhere you look, there are ads for the latest models. Creepy, right? Actually, it's just clever. Here's the deal. Every click, search, and like you make online creates a digital breadcrumb. Companies follow these crumbs to learn what you like, what you want, and when you want it. This isn't just for show. It's called targeted advertising, and it's big business. The tech behind it? Algorithms. Think of them as super smart matchmakers, pairing you with the products you're most likely to buy. And guess what? Knowing how this works can make you a hot shot in the tech world. Companies crave this skill, so if you can master it, you're not just browsing the web, you're unlocking serious earning potential. Ready to dive deeper? Hit that like button and subscribe for more tech secrets.